morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Okay, today I'm with
And this is Diana
and DJ.
and DJ.
And today we're going to talk about the Haitian Flag Day.
Yeah. Haitian Flag Day.
Today is Haitian Flag Day.
And grown-ups, if you are Haitian, teach your kids how to speak Creole. And
Ooh, that's a good start. Alright, so today is May 18, and on May 18, we celebrate the Haitian Flag Day. So in the Haitian flag, we have blue on top, red at the bottom, and then in the middle, you can see other colors like the white is in the background. But there's a special phrase. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says l'union fait la force, meaning our unity is our strength. So that's how we live by Haitian. When we united, we are stronger. Alright, so that like that I said, if you are a Haitian parent, please teach your kids wherever you are in the world, wherever you live, teach your kids to speak Creole, even if it's not like a whole lot. But at least they can understand, and then they can, they can speak to others. They can understand what they're talking about. Alright, it was all about today. Dada, do you know the flag song? The song that we sing for the flag in the morning? No? You don't know it too? You don't know it? Okay. The song is La Dessalinienne, and it goes by like that. Pour le pays, pour les ancêtres. You're gonna humming because you don't know it. Pour le pays, pour les ancêtres. Marchons-unis, marchons-unis. Dans nos rangs, point de traître. Come on, DJ. Du sang, soyons naître. Marchons-unis, marchons-unis. Pour le pays, pour les ancêtres. Marchons, marchons, marchons-unis. Pour le pays, pour les ancêtres. Alright, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching our video.
Oh, of course, yeah, I was gonna forget about that. Dada's gonna teach us some Creole, some Haitian words that she knows.
And I know
I mean, our language is Creole, of
And
course.
I know
So, Dad,
words.
tell me.
And I know
Tell me a few words that you know in Creole.
Bonsoir, comment est? Mais bien, mettez sur
Uh-huh.
Bola.
That's interesting. How do you say I'm coming?
Matini.
Ooh. How do you say please?
S'il te plaît.
Okay. How do you say thank you?
Merci.
Ooh. How about you, DJ?
Thank you.
All right. Oh, it was a pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. And then Happy Haitian Flag Day. Let's say it one more time. Happy Haitian Flag Day.